my name is Turaab and welcome to Turmia's World. Today we're going to be making a flamingo out of Legos. These are the pieces that we need for the flamingo. Without further hesitation, let's get right into it. So we're going to get a look at the pieces. And so we're going to start with the nest. Take 2 of these eggs and this circle piece, which is thick, and then you're going to turn it around so that these 4 middle ones have a diamond shape. Then put 1 egg on the top and 1 egg on the bottom, so it should look like this, okay? And you're going to set this to a side, and now we're going to make the flamingo, the mama. So we're going to get this bill, this head with 2 sides, that's what I call it, and we're going to get the beak. So first put this white piece, the head, which has 2 sides on. Then you're going to put the eyes on the 2 sides. So there you have it, the flamingo's head. Then you're going to, for the neck, you're going to have this 1 piece, and you're going to put it right on the back. Then you're going to take this piece and this piece. So it's going to be like these 2 black pieces, 3 times 3, 3 times 2. And then you're also going to take this long 3 piece. And also, you're going to take this 2 small piece. So it should look like this. Then you're going to put the flamingo's head right in the front, in the middle of this 3 times 2 piece. And then you're going to set this aside, and now we're going to build the legs. So this is typically 1 leg, but let me show you. So you put this one back here, and then do the same thing with the other side, just the opposite way. So it's like that. Then you're going to flip this over, and this should go in the back. And make sure the bottom of the leg should be facing out, like that. And then that's your flamingo with its nest. See? Whoops. Ah! Bad flamingo. He wouldn't stand up. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, like this video, and share with a friend. Bye! See you later on Turmia's World!